In this video, we're going to take a look at the trend trading indicator, another price overlay, two lines cross. We're going to jump right into the data stream video, and we'll pause it to point out those important moments. Okay, we're going to stop it here. Watch the blue signal line relative to the candles and the red signal line. We'll slow it down a bit. Did you see it? We're going to break it down step by step for you. Watch carefully. In this first image, note the candle indicated by the yellow arrow. The period has closed and there is a small degree of separation between the red and blue signal lines indicated by the green arrow. Also, take note of the relative position of the blue signal line relative to the candle in the red circle. These should remain the same going forward because the data is now fixed history. We'll advance time by one period. Now look at the gap between the blue and red lines on the same period. It's not the same anymore. Also, notice the relative position of the blue line with respect to the candle. It's different as well. We'll move forward one more period. Larger gap and the blue line is higher on the same candle. The next period forward. An even larger gap and the blue line has creeped further up the candle. In this next period, the gap is about the same on the same reference candle, but check out the change in the curve and subsequent gap between the signal lines. It's almost doubled. Okay, we'll plow through a few seconds of the chart to look at one more example. Now, we're going to examine a short trade signal. We'll slow down the move to the downside. Watch the blue line again. Did you see it? The blue signal line appeared to be stepping down invisible stairs. Let's look at the step-by-step for a moment. And watch the red line as well. I won't say anything about that just yet. We'll look at the first three images as a series. Notice that the relative position of the blue signal line gap grows between elapsed periods. Now, we'll look at the next two. Notice that the blue signal line changes relative position to the candles. And the last four images, notice how the blue line continues to change between subsequent candles. Now we'll take a look at the red line. What's interesting here is that only the blue line appears to be changing. If you watch the red signal line through the series, you'll notice that it remains fixed once each period closes, and it does not change. Okay then, I think we've illustrated that this one is a pretty significant repainter. Got it? Good. Don't use it. We'll let the data stream run out for a few more seconds. Our only goal is to make you a better trader.